Nesnam Diteram.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, hi, this is Run Glifberg. We're here at the Bright Trade Show 2009, and you're watching Nesnam Diteram. Diteram.
Hey, it's good, it's good.
I don't we'll do it again. We'll get the right one.
Okay.
Diteram.
Well, not really hear expressions because it's better in English.
Okay.
Yeah, but in front of the camera, I'm worse than him. Yeah, I got nervous. Yeah.
Stage fright.
Okay. First question. Are you riding for Converse now?
Yes, yes.
How come?
The latest addition to the Converse skateboard team. Yeah, it just seemed like an interesting program that I wanted to be a part of, and yeah, it's just, you know, the shoes and quality written all over them, so it seemed like a good move to make, you know. So classic styles, and, you know, beefed up to skate in. I used to skate Converse when I was a little kid, so it kind of all made sense. It kind of come full circle, you know.
Us too.
Yeah.
Tell me, do you have a promo of your shoe yet? Or?
Not yet, no. I'm just actually like 24 days into my contract now. So,
okay.
Yeah, it's all brand new as of 2009. So, but we do have a signature shoe for me in the works that we're working on. It'll probably be out sometime next year. And until then, we got this shoe right here, the Coolidge, which is an existing shoe, and this is my new colorway. So that's going to be coming out this fall, I think.
Tell me, why are the shoes, all the shoes now are making like all-star, you know, like all-star dish?
I guess the bulk soles are just really popular these days, and yeah, it seems like that's what people want. So you know, it's superior grip compared to a cup sole, you know. It's a little thinner too, but as you can see, we still got some cup soles coming out, like on the Pro Leather, and you know, a couple other styles have like a conventional cup sole that has a little bit more support, better for jumping downstairs and stuff. So, but these seem to work good, especially like when you skate transition and stuff. There's not so much gnarly impact as, you know, jumping down 15 stairs or something. So the grip is really good in these shoes. The sole is perfect. I put these on yesterday for the first time, and I could just skate in them straight away, no problem.
That's great. Yeah. Tell me, earlier when we met, you said, you asked me, is there skateboarding in Serbia?
Right.
How is skateboarding in Serbia? What did you mean by that? You heard for Serbia? Yeah?
I've heard of Serbia. Yeah. I've never been to Serbia. Maybe hopefully one day I'll get to go. You know.
Okay. Now we have a skate park in Serbia, which is really great.
Oh, okay.
One of the best in the region.
Oh, nice.
But we don't have a pool or half pipe for you, so you would need to ride some mini ramp. Yeah, we got which is midi ramp actually.
It's all fun. But it's good to see that there's new skate scenes coming up in
we're trying to
countries that have been more Eastern, I should say. You know what I mean? And getting some of the Western culture influence, such as skateboarding and whatever else that comes along with all the stuff that's here at the Bright Trade
Back
Show.
in the 90s,
graffiti and music and, you know, just the whole culture that surrounds skateboarding. You know what I mean?
That's great.
Back in the 90s, skateboard scene in Serbia was the biggest in the region.
Which one?
The Serbian scene.
Skateboard.
Okay.
Back in the 90s.
Maybe in Europe.
Oh, right.
Really?
Wow.
Yeah, we had a lot of good skateboarders in that time, but now they're old and not into skateboarding because the conditions in Serbia was bad, and you know, we won't talk about politics. Tell us what brings you here in Frankfurt.
Well, the Bright Trade Show is here, and so Converse is doing their skate brand launch here for Europe, and so it seems like a good thing for me to come out, represent the brand, kind of show my face, let everybody know it's official, I'm on Converse, and just, you know, come and show face and skate the ball a little bit.
How did you?
It was okay. I got all the way to the final, but then I didn't skate the final. because I hurt my back a little bit, so I didn't want to skate more, and yeah, but it was fun. So I got second, so it's okay.
That's not bad.
Yeah,
that's not bad at all.
It's all right.
Can you tell us for the end of the interview something in our language?
I can try.
You can try. The show is called Nesnam Diteram.
Nesnam
Diteram.
Diteram. Nesnam Diteram.
Yeah. If you can introduce yourself and say you're watching, and then in Serbian.
Nesnam Diteram.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. Hi, this is Run Glifberg. We're here at the Bright Trade Show 2009, and you're watching. I can't remember now. I said too much shit. Nesnam
Diteram.
Diteram.
Yeah, I guess.
Nesnam Diteram, yeah. All right, hi, this is Run Glifberg. We're at the Bright Trade Show 2009, and you're watching Nesnam. I can't remember it now again. The what?
Diteram.
Diteram. Nesnam Diteram.
Yeah.
Nesnam Diteram. I'll remember that this time. Nesnam Diteram. It's easy when you just say it.
Yeah.
Nesnam Diteram.
Okay.
All right, let's try again. Hi, this is Run Glifberg, 2009 Bright Trade Show. You're watching Nesnam Diteram. All right, we try it again.
Yes. I'm